In this video, I will show you luminescence face sculpture if it's a scam or not. So in here, we have in here the Lumin Correction Trio set for the 1 month trial. So it's their claim that if your face looks like this, it will looks like this right here once it's been sculpted. So this is the actual advertisement of the Lumin itself. So on a Reddit post by a user, we can see in here this. So as you can see, they actually use the products every night before bed. They start cleaning their face. They have the moisturizing balm, dark circle defense, as well as exfoliating rub. So they have a sense of quality, even though to be honest, they haven't used that many products. So since a 1 month of trying Lumin, there's not an enough major difference. So they have a subscription for 2 more months. So in there, you can see that I will show you the results, and this product are too oversized or overpriced. So in here, they also have some options for other skincare, which means that even though Lumin is legit, the results for it may take a long time before it actually show. So the ingredient list of their moisturizer is like by this researcher, and then from in there, they can actually head over and then use it for yourselves. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.